position, right? क्योंकि Asuna will roam freely. You've got Rehan to give the sets. Kyle आराम से पीछे खड़े रहेंगे, wherein even though सामने dive है थोड़ी सी with the Helda and the Uranus, but एक बार Trinity बन गया तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत आएगी.
A very interesting match, by the way. And RNTX, they are on the receiving edge right now. True Rippers, they got the first game in their favor. Let's see, will they be able to get this 1-2 and secure this match and get an easy W against an undefeatable RNTX. Let's start the game, ladies and gentlemen. This is the match number 2. I'm scared. एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टर ये कि वो जो एक हल्का सा कॉम्पोजिशन के अंदर चेंज will it change flow of the game too?
It is possible, and it falls down to how comfortable Joseph is. क्योंकि Hayabusa उनका बहुत comfort pick है, and it's kind of viable here. But वही है, सामने hat trick के ऊपर बात आ जाती है. कितने अच्छे तरीके से यूज कर पाएंगे यान उसको. Litho is where we're gonna see that contest and instant secure. वेट ही नहीं किया आधे सेकंड का भी. किमी को अब मेन चीज है किमी हैज टू हेल्प Asuna आउट इन क्लियरिंग दैट मिड वेव. तो एक ओपनिंग मिल जाएगी क्रैम गॉड को टू प्ले अराउंड इन दोस बुशेस अ लिटिल बिट मोर. एंड ये देखिए Asuna इज कॉन्स्टेंटली गेटिंग अ बिट ऑफ डैमेज डाउन देयर. एंड इवन दो क्रैम गॉड वहां सामने है, बट इट डजंट रियली मैटर. यू गॉट दैट कांस्टेंट शील्ड बीइंग प्रोक्ड अप बाय द अम्ब्रेला. तो पैसे बढ़िया यूज कर रहे हैं Asuna इस टाइम. Looking at the
Under control.
Looking at the emblems. Yeah, all fair safe. No difference here. And Warrior Boots के साथ गए हैं Kyle. Understanding के सामने crowd control तो है ही नहीं, तो मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है for the tough boots. Not sure why Asuna picked it up though, but it's fine.
Love the positioning for now, especially Joseph की. Interesting चीज रही किस तरीके से आप dive in करते हो. Kimi needs to fall back, which and every single one of the player from RNTX is chiming in. But Asuna then fighting back to the R-Lord. Chimes in too. Asuna and R-Lord getting 2. And Rehan. Oh, what a play!
That's a very good. पिछले पूरे गेम में मिसिंग थी ये चीज.
Exactly.
With a flicker final slash onto the face, catching 2. Holy frickin' smokes, Rehan.
Oh Lord.
Getting one of the best DXP laners out there, man, right now, though, on the other side. अब आएगी चीजें थोड़ी सी True Rippers के हाथ में और ज़्यादा comfortable. Cramgod is not even level 4 right now. So, slight bit of a problem. But it's fine. On the other side of the spectrum, True Rippers समझा उन्होंने कि कैसे they have to get that advantage right now. Initially try किया था आपने किमी को burst करने का, but that revitalize and the passive with the enhanced basic attack bonk फायदा कर गया. I mean, that's what it is, man. He literally bonks on you.
Yeah. तो अब starting बता रहे थे, तब भी आपने ऐसे ही समझाया था.
There's a lot of bonks, to be honest, in this game. Phoveus का Appraiser's Wrath, or rather, Fredrin का Appraiser's Wrath, Phoveus का Infernal Pursuit. There's the bonks on your face. And again, जो हम फिर से अपने उस Wind Talker की तरफ ही जा रहे हैं.
Tectonic charge.
That is not a bonk, man. That's a headbutt.
Ah.
Headbutt into the wall. He thinks of himself as Kamado Tanjiro.
Yeah.
You're not the anime guy. It's okay.
I am, but I'm not gonna name.
You're not the anime guy.
I am, dude. Come on.
What's your favorite anime?
I'm not gonna name it, bro. Come on. I actually can't. The XP crap goes into favor of Joseph. Meanwhile, Mirio and Rehan, they are having facade against each other. And no, it is actually.
Yeah, he thought. कोशिश कर रहे थे कि Mirio को हल्का सा tower के अंदर ले आए to maybe catch him down. Though, but Joseph is getting caught out in the open. A big problem out there. Kimi एक और big करेंगे up top with a triple gang coming in from True Rippers right now as Rehan tries to survive. Final slash, which ने steal किया था to use it on Rehan himself, but he's fine for that trade. A 2 for 1. He doesn't care.
What is that, man? Team True Rippers इस समय सब चीज अपने according चला रही है. Kimi on the other side. Once again that Katot. AUG is still available. The XP crab is also there. Turtle उसको लेते हुए इस समय RNTX के खिलाड़ी Mirio spots him down. Kimi perfect shines in. Trying to take down at least Joseph, but Joseph gets the turtle in his favor. an easy one. Carry all तो बुला रहे हैं
Up
यहाँ पर.
top.
Hardy की position देखिए बहुत अच्छी. But Jove survives.
It's fine. बच गए इस टाइम पे. Had the PMI to run back to safety as well and oh! All right, Asuna.
वो भी.
Yeah, just wanted to catch the angle with a flame shot. मर भी जाते उस टाइम पे जॉम अगर पकड़े जाते तो, but he just sidestepped it. It's a nice play. But इन सब के बीच में again, which है अब उनको जो थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है is not able to clean out mid so quickly and at the same time अब उनके ऊपर choice है. What ultimate he wants to pick? Would it be the final slash? Would it be the avatar of the Guardian? Most of the time it should be the final slash, but let's see if he can actually land in that flicker combination. क्योंकि आलेट के पास तो है dashes बचने के लिए, but you do not have that luxury.
Kyle destroys the turret. Kramgod not in a very good position though, but Kimmy push him down. Rehan baited out. Good one though.
It's fine.
ये final slash सही time पे लग जाता तो परेशानी आती. All the power of Iron is still there for Kramgod. Knows where the Archers still trying to bait him out. Mirio getting some amount of damage onto
Wow.
his opponent, but still look at the goal difference. Kyle.
I mean, 4 बंदे हैं True Rippers के up and top. Apart from just Jom, who's the gold winner on the cloud. Oh my god, Winchet surviving that. Off position पे पकड़े गए, an instant retaliation. AOG to push Joseph back in the tower right now, but Kyle will not overcommit. Realized के सामने you have got the Yugi shadow kill. Hold on, Rehan. एक और final slash Joseph के ऊपर, but they're not going in for the full commitment right now.
Turtle has been spawned, loving the position where Kramgod is. You're going down to take at least a player as well as the fall. AG1, Kyle Mirio takes down, and that's a Uranus skill though. The XP grab is still there though. You're taking control of the minion wave itself. Meanwhile, the Turtle is there. Kramgod giving a lot of information. Meanwhile, Gatut also healing himself up, loving the position of Eons. Trying to take control of the purple buff. Kimmy was there to at least still. Joseph chiming in against Asuna. It was a death call. Rejects it. Turtle, Kramgod. Will he able to go for the final?
Fine,
Nah, he's not.
it's just randomly giving the vision though. Joseph miles away from even thinking of taking that turtle.
But you're losing out the center D1, Kimmy. Oh, not in a good position. Gatut couldn't get away. But wait a minute, Rihan chimes in. That's a beautiful, beautiful approach. Although the blazing duet, it won't help. Video is done. Kyle, this carry is looking solid.
Oh my god, Joseph is so dead. Kimmy almost timing the AOG perfectly, but he cannot run away. Massive play from True Rippers. 10 to freaking 1.
Nah, man, that's ruthless.
As long as they don't throw this game, they have won it. क्योंकि straight up, Kyle is the one जो कि late game carry होगा उनका.
Definitely.
Yes, Jom on the other side is there, but this early wind of nature. Jom का damage जो कि थोड़ा बहुत लग भी रहा था आपको, now it's going to be nullified, and you also have Joseph, whose damage will be immune eventually.
Kimmy. But that's a bad dive in. AOG is still there. Kyle, meanwhile, just look at him. Perfect lifesteal, by the way. Kramgod still positioned. Kyle
Oh my
will
god,
get back.
bottom.
Asura
GG's.
also chiming in. I'm scared this is looking very deadly because Eon mean.
Yes.
What?
Exactly, that's what I said. Down at the bottom, eventually got him out there. Final slash brings down Meteor back to the team, but none of them want to commit. Off camp pick tha wo, and I mean, it's not even Joseph's fault at this point.
It's not even me missed it. It's even him.
That's why I said bottom lane, man. Again, a bit of a problem. Hold on, final slash on the other side now with the hat trick. You go back, he on. No way he's gonna survive through all of this. AOG, mediocre, and it's giving to Kyle with the speedy light field. A major outplay from the Harley, man, and that's why you do not ask a magician for his tricks. Because you ask for one and it's got a card full of 52.
What a deadly magician Eons is. Breaking every single turret in every single lane. Only the inhibitors are alive. This game is very good. Lord has been spawned. True Rippers बड़े आराम से इसको secure करने वाली है. They get scared. this is actually too good for the players of True Rippers. और अगर RNTX ऐसा ही out position रही तो परेशानी होगी. Look at the position of Cramcott, waiting out. Kimmy, थोड़ा सा aggressive जरूर गए, but he has to go back. Asuna is still there. Kimmy needs to be a bit careful. AOG is still alive, still there.
Fine.
And he gets away. उन्हें पता था यहाँ पर it's a bait and switch.
Finally we have to look at the items. अब यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जब आपकी टीम हार रही है उस टाइम पे you cannot go for the wind talker. और यही मैंने बात करी थी लास्ट टाइम. It's fine, it's got the revitalize, AOG सब है उनके पास. So अब 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं गेम के अंदर. He has not even completed the second item. If anything, just अभी उन्होंने वो deadly blade खरीदी थी. That means he still needs around 900 gold to complete the golden staff. And उसके बाद you need a little bit more time to even build the corrosion site. तो कब तो आप wind talker build करोगे? When you'll build up that malefic gun, you do not have enough time right now to do that. And this just feels out of place right now as all the waves are synchronized.
Oh, the Lord is there, the push is there, simultaneously also taking control. Ian, he is not in a good position! Joseph takes him down! Meanwhile, Jom, he's not in a good position too. Kyle takes down the turret, but he has to go back because the Lord is pushing in forward. Going for the inhibitor, what a good kiting there. Going for the center lane inhibitor though, but this is not looking good for Rianch at all. Cramcott takes him down. Kimmy not in a good position. Kyle, you have to go back.
Wow.
Asuna takes down Witch. Valentina is done. Kyle, a speedy light wheel, subtly chimes in. Kyle going bonkers. And what was that? Valentina somehow managed to at least get one frag, but that's not enough. Rianch is still going on. The R-Lord is still surviving.
Man, Consecration Mediocre to help him out, but Rehan is one of the nastiest harlots that I have seen in a long freaking time, man. I thought Mirio is comfortable on that. Rehan said, let me show you how it's actually done.
This is bad.
Mind-blowing stuff from this dude, and all the inhibitors down and out. 12 minutes से कम के game में you do not have anything to work with. You're caged in your entire base, and you don't have farm. This is our gold lead.
How? Yeah, my chipset just crashed. The brain chipset just crashed. 10k lead, not even a single turret, not even a single inhibitor. Nothing favoring you. And now the only thing is left, go for a Lord fight.
And the fact that इस टाइम पे रहान ने एक हल्का सा रोज गोल्ड मीटियोर भी बना लिया. Because he knows कि जब फाइट के बीच में जाएंगे तो जब उनकी HP लो होगी, he needs some shielding, and that rose gold is going to help him with that.
They're not going for the Lord here.
I mean, still 10 more seconds, right? So they're just making sure कि far lane उनके control में हो. Look at those minions stacking up. In the next few seconds, yeah, they're barging down towards the base. अब एक बहुत बड़ा option है backstab करने का. You got 3 people going in for that as well, and Kimmy instantly getting that knocked back up on the face as well, and the Yang Gang overturned by Asuna. It's perfect. AOG, Witch को पीछे push back कर दिया, and now Cramcott could eventually be isolated as well. Yans gets a perfect angle. Deadly magic of the Witch. He's not having any of that. Instantly deleted in a second. Or Jom अब tries जरूर करेंगे with his own blazing duet, but it's gonna be a bit too late out here. He goes up in mid. Cramcott trying to sustain through all of that, but True Rippers do not care. Busting through RNTX, they do. Oh, and holy smokes, man! Rate my skills as a chef. I'd give you A+.
Perfect 10 on
Master
10.
chef.